In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Instagram Reels message and chat option chains not showing. Instagram has recently updated and the reel message and chat options are changed. But if the change is not showing on your Instagram, it might be because your application is not updated. The only way to fix this problem is to update your app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Instagram. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Instagram and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Now wait until Instagram is updated. After the Instagram is updated, all the recent features will be available for you, including the change of reel message and chat option. Now you can see over here Instagram has been updated. Now open the Instagram application. Now you can see over here after you updated the reels and messages option will be changed. So like this you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Instagram reels message and chat option change not showing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.